Hello everyone, it's me Swara and welcome back to our channel Swara Tutorials. So our topic of today's video or this new series is really different from our other videos. So the topic for our new series is SSC 9th Standard Science Notes. So without any further ado, let's start with summary or notes for chapter number 1, Laws of Motion. What is motion? The action or process of moving is called motion. Distance and displacement. Distance is the length of actual path, whereas displacement is the shortest possible distance. Speed and velocity. Speed equals to distance traveled upon time required, whereas velocity equals to displacement upon time. Effects of speed and direction on velocity. Number 1. Changing the speed while keeping the direction same. Number 2. Changing the direction while keeping the speed same. And number 3. Changing the speed as well as the direction. Uniform and non-uniform linear motion. If an object covers equal distances in equal time intervals, it is said to be moving with uniform speed. And if an object covers unequal distances in equal time intervals, it is said to be moving with non-uniform speed. Acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Acceleration equals to change in velocity upon time, that is final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. Positive, negative and zero acceleration. When the velocity of an object increases, the acceleration is positive. When the velocity of an object decreases with time, it has negative acceleration, and if the velocity of the object does not change with time, it has zero acceleration. Graphs. Distance time graph for uniform motion. An object in uniform motion covers equal distances in equal time intervals. Thus the graph between distance and time is a straight line. Distance time graph for non-uniform motion. An object in non-uniform motion covers unequal distances in equal time intervals. Thus the graph between distance and time is not a straight line. Velocity time graph for uniform and non-uniform acceleration. For all uniformly accelerated motions, the velocity time graph is a straight line, and for non-uniformly accelerated motions, the velocity time graph may have any shape depending on how the acceleration changes with time. Three equations of motion. Number 1. V equals to u plus at. This is relation between velocity and time. S is equal to ut plus half at square. It's relation between displacement and time. And number 3. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is the relation between displacement and velocity. Newton's laws of motion. Number 1. An object continues to remain at rest or in the state of uniform motion along a straight line unless an external unbalanced force acts on it. Newton's second law of motion. The rate of change of momentum is proportional to the applied force, and the change of momentum occurs in the direction of the force. A momentum is denoted with letter P, and momentum is the product of mass and velocity of an object, that is P equals to m multiplied by v. According to Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum is proportional to the applied force, that is F equals to ma. Newton's third law of motion. Every action force has an equal and opposite reaction force which acts simultaneously. Law of conservation of momentum. The magnitude of total final momentum equals to the magnitude of total initial momentum. That is m2 v2 plus m1 v1 equals to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Hope the notes help you, and for more detailed explanation you can go through the textbook. And if you like the video, then like, share and subscribe and also click on the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming video.